Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound USD for 29th March 2021. So this video and analysis is for 29th March only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 30th March. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So you can see that right now market is trading at 1.3781. Okay, let me take out the pencil. This is the last traded price of the market. Okay, and as you can see, I have drawn two lines here. Okay, this is the primary resistance of the market as of now, which is available or seen on the chart. Okay, and here I have also mentioned as 50 MA as the resistance one, because right now, looking at the chart, it seems that market is finding it difficult to climb upward. So there is a probability that market will bounce from either from this position, or it will go to the 50 moving average, and 50 moving average will provide some resistance, and from there it will reverse, because the candlestick patterns are not that convincing that market isn't very much uh, let's say in the favor of bulls. Okay, it seems that bulls are losing their power, bulls are losing their steam, and moreover, market is also in overbought zone. So there is a good chance that market will come down eventually to cool off, or to take some rest. But before going further, I would like to mention one thing, that just look at the chart, okay, and we can tell it clearly that the chart is not that clean. Okay, chart is not that clean. So if you are a beginner and you are looking for the safest trade, okay, then GBP USD is right now is not the best pair for you to trade, because the chart is not that clean. Okay, if it reverses from here, if it reverses from the 50 moving average, okay, then you will get a clean trade. Okay, but do not forget to take the confirmation, or grab the confirmation, or wait for the confirmation. And as I always say, the confirmation is very important, and the confirmation can be in the form of a price rejection from above, a shooting star kind of a pattern, or a big fat red candle like this, or a bearish engulfing pattern. Once you get the confirmation at the 50 moving average, then you can short the market. Okay, and you can see that the distance from here to the resistance to this line is this much. Okay, there is a huge gap between the current price and the resistance to second resistance. So probably market will not be going to the second resistance tomorrow. Okay. So first of all, we just need to look at the price and how does it react once it reaches the 50 moving average. Okay. If it gets support or resistance and reverses from there, it's a good trade and easy trade for everyone. But if it trades somewhere here, then I'll tell you to avoid the market. Okay, because you can see that I have also drawn a support line. Okay, 1.339, 3669. I have not mentioned it here because this is not a valid or proper support for the market, because unlike this resistance, this is not a prominent support for the market. In the chart of GBP USD, there is no prominent support available as of now. Therefore, I have not mentioned anything. The chart is pretty complicated, except this 50 moving average. Okay, if it gets resistance and reverses from there, then it's a clean trade. Otherwise, just avoid GBP USD for 29th March 2021. That's my request. There are many currency pairs available where you can trade. You should not be risking your hard-earned money in a complicated chart like this. So hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked my video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. and see you tomorrow again. Let's see how where the market opens and how the chart reacts. Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. All the best.